Hi folks, today I am going to explain about a program in Python which is counting a vowels in a given word. Sorry for the external sound and disturbance. Suppose if I give a word and count how much vowels in that word, how much time it will take to count the number of vowels in that word. Maybe 1 minute. That's enough for a simple and single word. Suppose if I give you a big paragraph and tell you to find out the number of vowels in the paragraph, how much time will it takes to count every vowel in that paragraph? That's why this program will help us to count the vowels in the word or paragraph. First, I will assign vowel in a list. A, E, and I, O, then U. These are the list of vowels, right? Then I'm going to assign a word in a variable word. Word is equal to, this is anything like programming, counting, and then Python, anything. I will type programming here. Programming. Then to count them, I will define count is equal to 0. Next, here I am going to type loop here for character in word. This represents, or this considers all the characters in the word are the characters. Programming the whole word which is assigned to the word are the characters. Then if the character in vowel count the vowels. Count is equal to count plus 1. Then let me type print of output, print of count. Yeah, Here we got the output. Once I will recheck it, O, A and I. There are 3 vowels in this word. You can replace here a paragraph or the words whatever you want. It printed 3. So in this count place I can type this as the count is equal to count plus is equal to 1. Instead of writing like that lengthy line, we can type this also. So that's all. Thank you for watching.